all about Mickey Mouse. Look, Mickey is on top of the wheel. I am so ready. Let's go. Come on, then. I'm freaking out. Excuse me, mister. How do I get the Mickey's train? Thank you. Mickey steps through that door right there. We're about to walk through the wall.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hiya, folks.
Tornado!
Stop us now. I'm so
It was so good. This is super nice for Christmas. You guys, we need to talk about that ride. Mickey going through a bridge and Mickey does the track switch and it goes out of control. You feel like you're in a real cartoon, guys. It's so awesome. Perfect score, Mickey. A big 10 out of 10. What's Pluto doing up there? Mickey Mouse is coming. For real. Look. Oh, look! Awesome car, Mickey! Hey, this is Ollie with the Tangerine Tourist. Thank you for joining me today. That's my new favorite ride. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye for now, friends.